Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre this Saturday. Thunderstorms are very likely over the next couple of days in the summer rainfall area, but it will remain hot and dry over the western parts, with the next cold front only reaching the Western Cape on Tuesday. Over the past 12 hours, thunderstorms brought a fair amount of rain to the central parts of South Africa. Between 10 and 20 millimetres was reported in northwest parts of the Free State as well as KwaZulu-Natal, but very little rain occurred over Gauteng and the Limpopo province. This afternoon, a high-pressure system is ridging in along the east coast and adjacent interior, resulting in cloudy and cool conditions. Thunderstorms are very likely this afternoon, especially on the high veld in the eastern escarpment, as well as over the central parts of South Africa. Tomorrow, this trend continues, but because a low-pressure system is deepening in the Northern Cape, we can expect thunderstorms a little bit further west to include the Uppington region as well. Meanwhile, it remains cloud-free and dry over the western parts tomorrow, together with higher daytime temperatures. Here's our rain forecast for the rest of today, with scattered showers and thunder showers over Gauteng, the eastern Free State, as well as the interior of KwaZulu-Natal and the high veld, with isolated thunderstorms likely over the central parts and also reaching the Eastern Cape coastline later on today. Onshore winds are likely along the southern and eastern coastline, speeds between 10 and 20 kilometers per hour, a fresh southerly breeze in Cape Town up to 35 kilometers per hour, and moderate northwesterly winds over the central interior. It's quite warm today over Gauteng and the Free State. We're expecting a high of 29 in Pretoria, upper 20s for Polokwane as well, 34 in Uppington, Cape Town's maximum up to 22, but the onshore winds keeping things cool along the south and east coast. Tomorrow morning starts off quite chilly over the southern interior, down to 2 degrees in Sutherland, Graaff-Reinet dropping to 12 degrees, and we're expecting quite a warm start to the day along the east coast and over the northern parts of South Africa, with upper teens in the forecast. Let's take a quick look at Cape Town's 5-day forecast. We're expecting a very hot start to next week with a maximum of 32 degrees together with strong winds. Meanwhile, it becomes much cooler the next day with rain setting in, and that will last until Wednesday. By Thursday, it's still cold in the mother city. The rest of South Africa can look forward to stormy conditions for the next couple of afternoons. Kimberley with a high of 31 degrees tomorrow, and on Monday we're expecting thunderstorms to also reach the south coast. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your afternoon.